If something is obligatory, you must do it because of a rule or duty.
Obligatory. Obligatory. Obligatory military service.
Something that makes your life easy and pleasant.
Comfort. Comfort. Home comforts.
Making progress and likely to succeed.
Track. Track. We've got a lot of work to do, but we're on the right track.
Very shocked and upset.
Devastated. Devastated. She was devastated when her husband died.
Used to emphasize that something surprising is true despite what you have just said.
Even. Even. Car prices have gone down a lot, but even so, we couldn't afford to buy one.
To continue to know about someone or something.
Track. Track. He changes jobs so often I can't keep track anymore.
To consider something again in order to decide if changes should be made.
Review. Review. The courts will review her case.
Used to say that it is lucky that something happened.
Just. Just. It's just as well we brought an umbrella.
Easily annoyed and often complaining.
Grumpy. Grumpy.
A grumpy old man.
To include a number of things.
Embrace. Embrace. The report embraces a wide range of opinions.
Used to say that there is nothing else someone can do.
Just. You'll just have to wait.
The process of replacing something with something else.
Replacement. Replacement. Replacement windows.
Fair or morally right.
Just. A just society.
Having no meaning or value.
Empty. Empty. An empty promise or threat.
If you see something at a glance, you see it very quickly or immediately.
Glance. Glance. He could tell at a glance that something was wrong.
Belonging to or relating to the upper class.
Upper class. Upper class. He spoke with a distinctly upper-class accent.
The long metal lines which a train travels along.
Track. Track. A 10-mile stretch of track.
To accept new ideas, beliefs, methods, etc. in an enthusiastic way.
Embrace. Embrace. We are always eager to embrace the latest technology.
To not make money but also not lose money.
Even. Even. The company only managed to break even this year.
To become shorter or to make something shorter.
Shorten. Shorten. Smoking shortens your life.
To become ill because something that you have eaten or used on your body has had a bad effect on you.
React. React. My skin reacts to most perfumes.